What's going on, guys? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can set Google Chrome as your default internet browser. This is very handy if you want to open up any links and you want them to automatically open up in Google Chrome. And if you find this video helpful, please drop a like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-steps, how-tos and neat tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we need to do is open up Google Chrome. And once that's opened, if we come to the top right hand corner and you want to go ahead and click the three dots up here, and then go ahead and click onto settings just down here. Okay, so I'm actually filming this in 2021. Google does have a habit of changing their menus and buttons around quite a bit, so the screen, if you're watching this in the future from now, might look a bit different. But the easiest way to find how to change this is if you go to the top of the page and you click in the search bar here where it says search settings, and what you want to do is just go ahead and type default browser. And you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to put up a result and it's going to say make Google Chrome the default browser, and all you need to do is simply click the button to the right which says make default. This is actually going to open up the settings app on Windows 10, and what you need to do is come down to the bottom down here. You can see at the moment my default web browser is set to Brave. And if I go ahead and give that a click, I'm going to be given some options here, so I can choose which one I want to use as my default browser. Obviously it's only going to suggest the ones that you've got installed. So if you've got like Google Chrome and Firefox installed, it would only be those two coming up. I've obviously got Brave installed, I've got Google Chrome, I've got Firefox, obviously Microsoft Edge, which with Windows 10. And yeah, all you need to do is click onto Google Chrome. You'll see that has now set it as the default browser, and just to double check that that has been set, what we can do is go ahead and open up Google Chrome again. And just click the three dots on the right hand corner, go back into settings, and in the search bar if we again go ahead and type default browser, and you'll see instead of the button coming up, it's now coming up saying Google Chrome is your default browser. So I hope you found that helpful, and if it did help, please drop a like and a comment below, and also show your support for the channel by subscribing to the channel, and if you wish, buying a cup of coffee. I'll leave some links in the description below.